Yeah, hello guys, welcome back. Video number 80. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to integrate PayPal, Stripe, Pioneer payment gateway. So last video we have learned how to do InstaMojo and Razorpay. So in this video, I'm going to share with you these two international payment methods because InstaMojo and Razor mostly use in India. Now we want to scale our business and we want to target internationals also, special US countries. So you should know how to integrate your payment gateway. So I'm going to share with you first of all PayPal. So let me log in again my and add a new plugin. So go to plugins. So here you have a option WooCommerce PayPal checkout payment gateway. Okay, so let us say the PayPal official account or PayPal has or not. I need to check. Even for that, here it's a Brazil. So yes, PayPal has their own account. So yeah, this one. So now so you can use this one, the PayPal. Install now. And now for that we have to also Stripe. So Stripe for WooCommerce, you can use this. Okay, so Stripe also works very well, so you can install Stripe also. So Stripe, and the last, which one we have, a Payoneer. So you have a payment gateway Payoneer, so you can do this one. So now we have installed 3 plugins. Let us activate, because we want to learn how to integrate. Go to inactivate plugin. Now guys, you can see the how importance plugin. Okay, how much time you can save and how it helps in your website design and development work. You don't need to hire any designer developer for integration. You can do yourself. So that's why my motive, I want to sell dependent in website design and development. So go to your plugin sections, where first of all I am going to PayPal. So where is PayPal? This one, PayPal. And PayPal, go to settings, and same the everyone there ask you your merchant ID. And here one thing you need to know, PayPal has their own option. They ask you for the pop-up and login your ID. Once you log in, they ask you the authentication. You will receive a mail or phone number, whatever they have a process you have to follow. But here you have to enter your merchant IDs. For that you have to create your PayPal account and enter here merchant ID. Where you can find PayPal merchant ID, you have to log in your PayPal account. Go to your setting, and in merchant you can see the bottom merchant ID. So you have to copy, and once you save, they ask you for the login your account. So you can authenticate your. Okay, here you can see all the payments. Once you authenticated your account, here you can see all the transaction and payment regarding. Okay, so the PayPal has their options also. You can check payment directly there. You don't need to log in. Okay, now go to Stripe up. So Stripe also helps you to collect international payment. So I'm going Stripe settings. Okay, so you have to same you can connect directly your Stripe account, or you have a public key and secret key. I have done for very others my domain. So same you can do. You must have your own secret key, same like InstaMojo, Razorpay, ConvertKit. Everyone has a, because these two keys gives you authentication only. Okay, so you should keep very secretly. You don't need to share with anyone, because anyone can use on your behalf if you. So make sure you don't do this silly mistake. Keep in mind and note down anywhere. There you can see. So these two key very important, API and secret key. This helps you to protect your account and transfer your money collect through online. So Stripe have the option, they have a credit card option, they have a Apple Pay option, Google Pay, money request, and all these things. So what kind of card you want to card display, end of the one which card of series you can select. Okay, and here the Apple Pay. So Stripe also supports Apple Pay. So if you want to register your domain, you can go payment Apple Gateway and register your domain. Once you approve, so you can authenticate with the help of same Google Pay. With the help of Google Pay, you can receive money worldwide without any issue. You must have a Google business account, Google Pay business account. You can like test directly Google Pay account here. So process are very simple. You don't need to do too much. You should have a like little bit knowledge all these things. Okay, I can't like teach you in every, because video goes very longly. Already we have 100 of videos, so I don't want to like spend more times to teach you. If you need, you can do YouTube and anything. This for your reference, so you how you can do. So I have shared with you. So hope you like this video. Also I'll catch you. Same one thing I forget to share with you, the Pioneer also. So like the Stripe and others tools, so you can do with this also. So where is Pioneer, this one. So where is installed? So where is it? I have a install, official install, but I don't know where. I don't have a account. I don't know why it's not working. Or okay, no issue. So we can like again reinstall this and try to deactivate. So you can do same, the process are same, you just have to follow what I have shared with you. So hope you like this video. So I'll catch you in next video. Okay, bye guys.